Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make shorts video on YouTube. Watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Before you make shorts on YouTube, 3 points you should keep it in your mind. Your video duration should be less than 60 seconds. Your video resolution should be in 9:16 aspect ratio vertically, or your video resolution should be in 1:1 aspect ratio horizontally. If you add music on your shorts, make sure that your music should be free copyright. I will take you on my mobile screen. As you can see, I am on the mobile screen. I am going to open YouTube. As you can see below, plus icon, I am going to click on this. You can see create a short. I just click on this. You can see recording button. By clicking on this, recording will be started. Top of the screen you can see add sound. As I already said, by clicking on this, you can add music. Music should be free copyright. I'm going to click on speed. You can adjust speed as much you want, like this. Below you can see timer. You can set timer as much you want. As you can see, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. If you have already recorded and edited the video, by clicking on this, you can upload the short. As you can see, title, add description. Try to create a title as much short. Thanks for watching.